The Apple TV third generation has a significant limitation when it comes to the Spectrum TV app. Unlike newer Apple TV models, it doesn't have access to an app store. This means you cannot download and install the Spectrum TV app directly on the device itself. The Apple TV third generation simply doesn't support modern streaming apps. However, there is a workaround solution. You can use AirPlay to stream the Spectrum TV app from your iPhone or iPad to your Apple TV. Before you begin, make sure both your iPhone or iPad and your Apple TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, your iOS device needs to be running iOS 15 or higher. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process. First, open Control Center on your iPhone or iPad by swiping down from the top right corner. Next, look for the screen mirroring icon or AirPlay icon in Control Center. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. Tap on this icon. A list of available devices will appear. Select your Apple TV from this list. If you see an AirPlay passcode displayed on your TV screen, enter it on your iPhone or iPad. Finally, open the Spectrum TV app on your iPhone or iPad and start streaming your favorite content. The video should now appear on your TV screen via AirPlay. This AirPlay method allows you to enjoy Spectrum TV content on your Apple TV third generation, even though the device doesn't support the app directly. While AirPlay can work as a solution for Apple TV third generation, it's important to understand its limitations and explore better alternatives. AirPlay stability can vary significantly. Many users report connection drops, and importantly, some Spectrum TV channels may not function properly through AirPlay mirroring. Fortunately, there are much better alternatives. Modern streaming devices offer direct Spectrum TV app support with superior performance and reliability. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K is an excellent choice. It has the native Spectrum TV app, supports 4K HDR content, and provides reliable streaming performance. The Amazon Fire TV Stick is another great alternative. It allows direct installation of the Spectrum TV app, comes with a voice remote, and is very affordable. Spectrum also offers their own Xumo Stream Box, which comes with the Spectrum TV app pre-installed and optimized specifically for Spectrum services. If you still want to use AirPlay despite its limitations, here are the key troubleshooting steps to improve your experience. First, check that AirPlay is enabled in your Apple TV settings. Make sure both devices are on the same stable Wi-Fi network. Keep your software updated and restart both devices if you experience connection issues. While these troubleshooting steps can help, our recommendation is to upgrade to a modern streaming device for the most reliable Spectrum TV experience.